I'm really tough. Really harder than yesterday. Do you think you could ride a minute?
Sure doesn't look much like a road anymore, does it? The pond we once back up in behind here. And Memorial Day weekend, here's the first bass of the day. Now let's see if you guys can get one of these. Here he goes. Catch one. Here. Now there's the fish. You want to hold your fish, Josh?
You can hold it. Let me hold the pole.
It's not bad. We'll have to measure him and see how much he weighed. Hey, that's not bad. That's 18, 20 inches long.
Was it worth your trip over?
Not good.
Yeah, got him by the...
I'm trying to get
him off. I got the fish. It's hot out. I'd keep him, but it's too hot for as far back as we walked. You got him in there?
Yep.
All right, we'll have to measure him and turn him loose. Nice. Can I have my shoe back?
Chris, get his shoe.
Yeah. Is it off?